words we have turned deaf ears, like we are not the ones to be blamed. When our country falls short each day simply because we have declined to serve our fatherland with love, strength, and faith. Principles deeply rooted in our hearts to do, we now uproot, throw in the trash, not to use. Forgetting we have pledged that the labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. I'm talking about great men who put their lives to the ground and minds to what Nigeria should be built around. One of greatness, prosperity, and purpose. Knowing we are people of a unique race that speaks for good justice, equity, and insight. A people willing to serve with heart and might. In a nation bound with the integrity of true freedom. For we are free sons and daughters, and in our hearts wisdom. And although found in a land with diversity in tribe, it is never at heart.
What we call university today is the creation of the last 600, 400 years of humanity. You won't go to 14 something and somebody will say, I graduated from the University of Spain. There was nothing like a university. Universities are creatures of the modern era. But it doesn't mean that the mind cannot get educated with or without a university. It doesn't mean that you can't have skills or proficiencies with or without a university. And really, that's where I'm going today. Because I really want you to take responsibility for your lives. And I mean it. So, I finished my youth service. Like I said, I fought cases. I won a NYC award because I was the chairman of the Legal Aid Council. When you look back, 21, 22, and you felt you were in charge of your life just as you do. You know, our government and our nation has not helped you. But maybe that reality will make you not make the same mistakes as some of your parents have made, waiting for the government to come through. You need to create your own space. So very hopeful. They know things are difficult. But one thing they have is confidence. Because when I went out and I checked, why are they hopeful? The reasons for their hope had nothing to do with the macroeconomy. Some had faith. Some were confident in themselves. Some just felt that it would work out for the better. So let me do a survey here. By show of hands, how many people here believe that things will work out for the better for them? Somehow, yes.
Scholarship they pursue the guy no get two head. Now the head will get nasty get. And I go make sure say I reach there, so that they go find me, see my village people go year round.
Thank Edo State government for this Ogbonge program where they can do for here for our youth. Me, I did inside the hall since I see waiting they happen. The different topic where the resource person come teach our youths for here. One thing be say they don't learn, but e clear say this thing wey dem learn today, as dem dey comot for here, dem go better pass the way wey dem take come here. Because the different topic wey dem teach dem for here today na topics wey be say things wey dem go fit do, dem go better pass as dem be. Dem go fit dey do things wey dem no sabi dey do before. Dem go even now come dey employ people. Areas wey dem no think say dem go fit reach before with things wey dem learn for here. From today, dem go start to dey push make dem reach those areas.
This program, wetin I learn be say, as life dey, e get some certain skills wey we need in order to succeed. And say the rich is there with 20%, and a lot of people know they get them. So when we get those skills, we dey able to assess the wealth of those 20%. For this program also, we also learn how we would say control our emotions to prevent us to dey react quickly in order to attain wetin we want for life.
It is very important for Edo youth because our state governor wants make our youth better for the society. They come here to reset our mind and to empower us so that if we leave this place, everything wey we dey do, our work, our handwork, we go know how to manage and to relate with the society.
On this program, I don't got to learn plenty things, and I can't know say many opportunities. Some way my attention never really go like that. Say man, a lot day where we go feed do, even say job not day, but many things day where we go feed do. You know, take they self-employed, they make our own money. And I want to use this opportunity to thank Edo State government. They really try for this program we them put together, especially being the first in this nation. Show say the government of the day, it gets we where we youth, it gets our interest for hearts.
For me, I don't learn see I get everything where I need to move up, to go up for this country. So with the little knowledge I don't get from this place now, I'm more motivated to push ahead, that I should not lose hope, that things will work out one day, and that as far as there's life, there's hope. We should just keep on doing what is still good and focus more on developing ourselves. When opportunity comes, we'll shine forth. And to Edo State government, I'll say thank you very much for this opportunity. It passed our imagination. Not be like this. We will not expect it to be like this. But as we don't come like this, we are really happy. Academically, we have been blessed and we have been motivated. And as a youth, I believe see tomorrow, the future where we expect we go bright. Surely we will see that bright future.
I would like to thank the Commissioner of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs for putting this together for the Edo youths. I don't learn so many things today as we don't kickstart the training section. We had various resource persons who don't tell us about things we say we don't know before, and how for us to become better youth, to better our location, our immediate environment. About noting your strengths, getting skills, soft skills. I learned new words like emotional intelligence, new word like critical thinking, new things we say social contracts and all, and how you fit rub mind with your neighbor to ensure say una form formidable team to better the state and the country at large.
The program makes sense. Obaseki really try, but seeing the buildings and everything, the renovation has been top notch. So this program focuses on to help us and ensure say we sabi leadership, we sabi entrepreneurship, and we fit build business on ourselves. So Obaseki really try, and the program makes sense well.
I want to use this period to thank the Edo State government for organizing this youth empowerment and colloquium for Edo youths. I'm sure by the time we get out of here, personally, I believe I will be a changed man, because from the perspective that the Edo State government they give, resetting the minds of the youths towards a deliberate coming out of restiveness, youth unrestiveness, youth war, youth problems, and trying to resolve the conflicts within the nation by empowering these youths. Say, may we sabi the things where they give, the skill where they provide for us as youths.
Ionist creativity is something I've learned, and it's something that I'll go home and develop. it blew my mind. Thanks to state government for this rare opportunity.